All right. Hey everyone. It was a crazy market this week. Let's first go over some bullet points of what happened this week. So since the new year started, we've had a lot of volatility. Sellers have been in control. Every time that a rally, started, it basically sold off. So that's something key to just know that we're not in a downtrend. We're not, falling out of the sky. But overall, every time that we rallied, the sell off came. So that is how the market has been for the past 2 weeks now. So since New Year started. Um, Things that basically forced this situation to happen was the U.S. economy, was the administration tariff plans. So basically, obviously, they're planning tariffs. If you want to look deeper into it, Google it. Next was our treasury yield and the dollar. Thursday, we had no market. Friday, we had jobless claims and tariff concern with pause on rate cuts. So that was a lot of news on Friday. And Friday's always crazy anyway. Um, our treasury yield climbed multiple months high in the past 10 years. Well, 15 months. Same thing with our 10-year yield. They all hit highs basically. So um, this would, make the market be a little wacky. The dollar surged to multiple year highs, and that contributed to the sell-off. So there is your reasoning for pretty much all of those sell-offs that had happened. Now, for this upcoming week, are we going to have that situation? Who knows? You know what I mean? Like nobody knows what the market is going to do. So I can't sit here and have a crystal ball and tell you exactly what's going to happen. All I can say is how to, just prepare for either the sell-off or the rally up. We have a few trades that we're going to go over that can prepare us for pretty much both. So let's get into the charts. So let's get this out of here. All right. First on my chart, we have SPY. Here are SPY's key levels. Like always, right side, we have 608. We have 567 and we have 539. So those are my levels for SPY this week. Next, we have the Qs. Qs levels are in. We have 539, we have 483, and then we have 423. And really, let's move that 423 up to about here and bring it to 448. So those will be our key levels for the Qs. All right. So now let's get into some plays. First play we have is Disney. Once it shows up on my screen. All right, we got Disney. March 21st. This buys you some time. We're only in January. We're mid-January, so you have at least 2 months on it, month two and a half. I don't know. So these ones are pretty much good. Next one, we have Dell. Dell, we have 130 calls for May 16th. Next, we have Mara. Mara, we have $25 calls for March 21st. Next, we have Square. Square, we have 77.50 puts for April 17th. Next, we have Baba. We have Baba 77.50 puts for February 21st. Then we have some MU. MU, $85 puts for April 17th. Wow. Intel. We have a lot in on Intel. So we're going to look at all of these because all of these are good. It's all going to depend on your wallet of what you want to pay for them, but they are all good in play. So your first one you have is January 17th. There are $21 calls for Intel. Our next one is $25 calls for July 18th. And then our last one is Intel $20 calls for February 21st. So you have 3 sets of calls that you could get. And that clearly shows you I'm bullish on Intel. Your next one is going to be MGM. MGM $40 calls for June 20th. And then our last one is going to be not here for some reason. Let's see what it is. It's going to be Lyft. Get that out of there. Let's figure out what I want it for Lyft. 1 second. In Lyft, we have $11 puts for July 18th. It's coming over so you can see it on the screen. All right. So Lyft, I'm bearish on. Puts for Lyft. All right. So like I stated earlier, market was mixed last 2 weeks. There was opportunities to make money long. There was opportunities to make money short, and hopefully you weren't on the wrong side of those, those moves. But overall, I think that things are going to kind of pick up. We do have Trump coming into office in about a week and a couple days. So there's going to be a lot going on. Obviously, he is threatened for tariffs. He's any means possible at this point for him. So, I mean, it is what it is. I just say play smart, read the market, don't rush into trades if you don't have to, and don't over trade. If you don't need to trade and you're not liking the setups, if they're not clear to you, then don't take them. You know what I mean? Just sit and wait. It's better to sit and wait. You get those A+ setups where you're able to capitalize on bigger gains than just sitting and jumping into trades. All right. So good luck this week, guys, and let's hope for a better week coming up. See ya.